From high-speed racing to off-road adventures, RC cars bring the thrill of driving to your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner looking for fun or a hobbyist seeking performance, today's models offer powerful motors, durable builds, and precise controls that make every ride exciting. To help you pick the right one, here are the top 4 RC cars that deliver speed, style, and endless fun. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 4. JJRC SCY16101 RC car. There is something irresistible about a small but mighty machine that dares to deliver thrills on demand, and that is exactly what this RC car brings to the table. At first glance, it may look like just another compact toy, but the JJRC SCY16101 is more like a pocket-sized beast, eager to unleash speed and agility on any terrain you throw its way. With a scale of 120, it is easy to underestimate its power, but once you grip the remote and feel it roar to life, you quickly realize this is more than just a fun distraction. It is a racing experience shrunk down to a size that fits in your hands and packs a punch every time it takes off. The advertised top speed is 30 kilometers per hour, though in practice it averages closer to 20. That might sound like a letdown, but in reality, the sensation of speed at this scale is absolutely thrilling. Watching the SCY181 tear across grass, gravel, or even a stretch of sandy beach is enough to put a grin on anyone's face. The double motors make acceleration feel instant, and the car's responsiveness to your commands is sharp and satisfying. The 2.4 GHz remote control system eliminates interference, so if you are racing alongside friends, each driver can enjoy their own track without signals crossing or interruptions. With a control distance of up to 40 meters, it gives you enough space to really let it loose without feeling tethered to its movements. Where this car truly shines is in its ability to adapt to different terrains. The anti-skid tires grip surfaces confidently, whether it is wet pavement, snow, or rough stones. That adaptability makes it feel like a true monster truck in miniature form, ready to conquer environments where other RC cars might struggle. There is also a surprising level of durability in its design. At just 580 grams, it is light but not fragile, and the build quality makes it capable of handling a few tumbles without losing performance. The battery is compact but efficient, providing around 20 to 25 minutes of racing fun after an hour-long charge. While that runtime may not sound endless, it is more than enough for thrilling bursts of action before you swap in a fresh charge. LED lights add an extra touch of style, making nighttime driving as fun as daytime races. It feels like a thoughtful detail that elevates the overall experience. And with its portable size and gift box packaging, it makes a great present for kids and even adults who are secretly kids at heart. Pros: speed, durability, terrain versatility, portability. Cons: short runtime, average range. Number 3. Lkcomo RC car. Every so often, a gadget comes along that feels like it was designed purely to amaze, and this RC car manages to do just that. It is not just about speed or climbing power, it is about the experience of control itself. The Lkcomo RC car brings an exciting twist to traditional remote control driving by adding gesture-based navigation with a wearable watch controller. Suddenly, you are not just pressing buttons, you are steering with your hands, tilting your wrist to spin, drift, and flip this futuristic machine into action. It makes every movement feel like a performance, blending technology with playful creativity in a way that feels fresh and captivating. At a 1/16 scale, this car strikes a balance between being compact enough to carry around yet large enough to deliver a strong visual presence as it rips across a surface. It is fitted with LED lights that make it glow during evening drives, highlighting its sleek colors whether you pick sky blue, rose red, or gray. The design emphasizes fun and flexibility, with the ability to rotate a full 360 degrees, climb with surprising agility, and drift smoothly across floors and outdoor spaces. Watching it shift from upright racing mode into wild spinning stunts feels more like controlling a performer than a simple RC car. The control system is one of its biggest selling points. Equipped with an 8-channel setup, it gives you a wide range of actions and responses, which makes play feel dynamic rather than repetitive. The remote distance stretches from 30 to 50 meters, plenty for living room circuits or backyard obstacle courses. And for those who want extended fun, the car delivers around 30 minutes of runtime, which is generous compared to many similar models. Charging takes some patience, but that is balanced by the longer session of action once it is powered up. Material quality leans toward lightweight plastic, which makes it fast and maneuverable, though perhaps not as rugged as heavy-duty off-road RC trucks. Still, the focus here is on versatility and entertainment, not brute force. The gesture control alone is enough to keep it engaging for hours, and it provides a futuristic edge that makes it stand out as a gift. Whether for teens, adults, or anyone who enjoys toys with a tech-forward twist, this car manages to combine novelty with excitement in a way that feels fresh every time you pick up the controller. Pros: gesture control, LED lights, fun design, long playtime. Cons: lightweight build, longer charging. Number 2. Dien 9522-5 RC car. Few things capture the thrill of speed and control like a well-built RC car, and this one is engineered to deliver that rush from the very first drive. The Dien 9522-5 RC car is not just a toy. It is a powerful off-road machine designed to satisfy the craving for high velocity and rugged adventure. At 1/14 scale, it strikes the perfect balance between being large enough to showcase its presence and compact enough to carry with ease. And once powered up, it transforms into a miniature monster truck that feels unstoppable. The first thing that stands out is its high-speed performance. Capable of reaching up to 80 kilometers per hour, it pushes the boundaries of what an RC car can do in its category. Whether you are racing down a smooth driveway, drifting across loose dirt, or challenging rocky terrain, the brushless 4WD system ensures stability and grip at every turn. The acceleration is sharp, and the LED headlights give it a sleek, aggressive look while also making nighttime runs feel cinematic. Watching it cut through darkness with glowing beams adds a dramatic flair that elevates the overall experience. One of its most impressive features is the extended control range. With a remote distance of 100 meters, it offers freedom that many other models simply cannot match. You can set up sprawling outdoor courses, or just let it run wild without ever worrying about losing signal. The responsiveness of the controller keeps you firmly in charge even at top speed, making it feel intuitive and precise rather than overwhelming. Playtime is bolstered by a robust lithium battery, giving you longer sessions without frequent interruptions. For enthusiasts who hate the start-stop nature of weaker models, this extended runtime is a major win. And since the car comes fully assembled straight out of the box, there is no delay between unwrapping and racing. That convenience makes it an appealing choice, not just for seasoned hobbyists, but also for kids who want instant action. The fact that it is designed for ages ranging from younger children to adults makes it a versatile gift, something that can easily bring generations together in shared excitement. Overall, the Dien 9522-5 combines speed, durability, and user-friendly design into one sleek package. It delivers the kind of adrenaline rush usually reserved for larger, more expensive models, while keeping accessibility at the forefront. It is as ready for backyard fun as it is for competitive races, and that balance makes it a standout in its class. Pros: high speed, long range, extended playtime, 4WD power. Cons: pricey option. Number 1, and the winner is Dishuo SCY16101 RC car. There is something magnetic about an RC car that blends raw power with smooth control, and this one does exactly that. The Dishuo SCY16101 RC car is a miniature beast designed to give both kids and adults a real taste of high-speed racing thrills. At 1/16 scale, it manages to feel compact enough for easy handling while still large enough to dominate any surface it runs across. The moment you power it on, the energy is undeniable. With speeds climbing up to 70 kilometers per hour, it delivers a rush that feels more like piloting a scaled-down race truck than simply playing with the toy. One of the biggest strengths of this car is its durability. Outdoor adventures are rarely gentle, but this machine is engineered to withstand tumbles, bumps, and aggressive play without compromising performance. The solid construction makes it ideal for rough terrain, whether you are blasting across rocky trails, tearing through grassy fields, or pushing through loose dirt. The LED headlights are not only a sleek visual addition but also make evening races more dynamic and easier to follow, especially when the car is darting across wide-open spaces. Control is another highlight. Some RC cars sacrifice handling for speed, but here, both are delivered in balance. Beginners will find the intuitive navigation system easy to grasp, while more seasoned hobbyists can push it to its limits with precision steering and responsive acceleration. The brushless 4WD system locks in traction and keeps the car stable even when you challenge it with fast turns or rugged paths. This versatility across different terrains makes it a dependable companion for backyard play as well as larger outdoor adventures. What sets this model apart is how it bridges fun and competition. It is just as satisfying for casual drivers who want to enjoy spontaneous outdoor play as it is for those who crave the thrill of competitive racing. Its high-speed capabilities combined with strong maneuverability create an immersive experience that keeps you wanting to push it further every time you drive. Overall, the Dishuo RC car is built for anyone who loves the excitement of speed paired with the reassurance of rugged design. It is not just about going fast, but about feeling in control while you do it. The combination of power, durability, and user-friendly handling makes it an excellent choice for racers of all ages. Pros: high speed, durable build, smooth handling, all-terrain. Cons: short runtime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.